We spend so much of our lives building a life, getting the education, landing the job, paying the bills. And that's important, right? That's how we make a living. But have you ever stopped and wondered, is this why? Is this my purpose? If that question has ever crossed your mind, if you're holding beyond just making ends meet and are actively searching for that deeper reason, that unique contribution only you can make, if you're searching for your purpose, then this is exactly what you need to hear. For most of history, survival was the main goal. Find food, shelter, stay safe. But in modern society, for many of us, basic survival isn't a fight anymore. We have jobs, routines, responsibilities. We earn money, we pay bills, maybe we even have nice things. And for a long time, this feels normal. Like this is just what life is. You work, you provide, you repeat. But if you're anything like me or like so many I've coached, there comes a point where you start asking, is this it? You feel this internal nudge, this persistent whisper that says, there has to be something more, or I feel like I'm capable of more. And that feeling, that often your soul telling you it's craving something beyond just the transaction of time for money. It's craving meaning, it's craving purpose, it's craving the sense of that your existence, your energy, your unique gifts are actually making a difference. That you are living a life that matters. What does living a life that matters even mean? It's not about becoming a superhero or curing a disease. It's deeply personal. It's about aligning your actions with your deepest values and using your unique skills and passions in a way that creates positive ripples in the world around you. It could be through your work, volunteering, mentoring, creating art, advocacy, or simply through consistent kindness in everyday interactions. The key is that it feels meaningful to you. It's not about external validation, it's about internal alignment. It's about feeling like you are contributing something valuable, something that makes the world, or even just one corner of it, a little bit better. I learned this lesson profoundly after working in the corporate IT for 27 years, living and working in places like Belgium, France, London, and the Netherlands. At 49, I thought I was too late and too late to start my YouTube channel. That feeling of too late was a huge barrier, but I went back to why I was considering YouTube in the first place, and my purpose became crystal clear. I want to share my experiences and lessons in life so that others may be inspired, learn, and get a shortcut, like bypassing some of the struggles I went through in those decades of building a career. That realization moved me away from initial pull of joining YouTube just to chase more likes and subscribers. And I deeply appreciated you guys for being here, for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. But those felt like external metrics, like just making a living with content. But staying true to my purpose, sharing value and aiming to genuinely help others. That's what makes it feel like living a life that matters. Even if it only impacts one person. I'm staying true to my purpose, and I truly hope the viewers who find the channel feel that value and find it useful. Okay, so you feel that nudge, you understand the difference, but how do you actually start living a life that matters? How do you go from just making a living to making a difference? It starts small. It starts with turning that inner signal into intentional action. So here are the steps so that you can actually apply them as I've applied them to myself by showing up in this YouTube channel. So, are you ready? Let's hear it. Step one, listen to the whisper. What breaks your heart? What makes you angry? What are your what are you naturally drawn to help with? What conversations light you up? These nudges are clues to what you deeply care about and where your unique energy is meant to flow. Step 2, identify your energy centers. Where do you feel most alive, most engaged, like you're just going through the motions? When are you in your zone, using your natural strengths? This points to the ways you are uniquely wired to contribute. Step 3, find the intersection. Look for the overlap between what you care about and how you are uniquely wired to contribute. Your purpose often lies at this intersection. Step 4, start small, start now. You don't need a grand plan or a massive life overhaul. Can you volunteer 1 hour this week? Can you mentor one person? Can you consciously bring more kindness to one interaction today? Or can you dedicate 30 minutes to working on a passion project that could eventually help others? Small, just small. Consistent steps build momentum, and action creates clarity. Remember, it's about the intention to contribute, not just the scale of the action. The world needs your unique contribution, however small it seems. Focusing on impact, even in tiny ways, shifts your focus from scarcity and just getting by to abundance and giving. And that shift alone can transform how you feel every single day. Living a life that matters isn't a destination you arrive at, it's a way of moving through the world. It's a continuous process of aligning your actions with your values and consistently choosing to contribute your unique light. It's time to asking only, how can I make a living? And start asking, how can I truly live in a way that matters? What's one small way you can start making a difference, or even in just in your own small corner of the world today? Comment below and let me know. Type matter if you're ready to evaluate how your life can have more impact, or type purpose if you're ready to start uncovering your unique contribution. I read every comment and I'd love to hear from you. If you're ready to live a life beyond the paycheck, where you feel energized and fulfilled by what you do, make sure you stay in this channel and engage. This channel is here to help you upgrade your mindset, elevate your energy, and create success on your own terms. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.